Everyone, my name is Jivaj. In today's video, we will cover the fundamentals of DevOps. In this video, we will try to understand what is DevOps, why DevOps, and what are the DevOps engineer day-to-day activities, which are fundamentally importance of every DevOps interview. So let's assume that you are attending the DevOps interview, and if you do not understand the concept of DevOps, all the things is wasted. So these types of questions and more about the questions such like what actually is DevOps, and after that you will see the next what are the DevOps engineer day-to-day activities. And also in interview, a interviewer ask you that how to introduce yourself in DevOps engineer position, whether it is fresher or whether it is experienced. We will talk all the things. So let's not waste of the time and bring back to our questions first. So what is DevOps? What is DevOps? If you go to the textbook definitions for DevOps, you will find hundreds of definitions. But in here, DevOps is a culture, practice, and set of tools brings development and operations teams together works as ones. In general terms, we understand as the simplest DevOps is a process of culture which improves the organizations to application delivery, automations, quality, continuous integrations, and continuous delivery. This is the ecosystems where the development and operationals sit together and work as one. So DevOps is why DevOps is needed. So in tradition, software developer and the operation teams work separately. So developers write the code and operations teams deploy it. Let us suppose we have one application, suppose PUBG, and PUBG has 10 days to update some features, some really good features. Developer write the code and push into the GitHub, but in the operations, code is not working. In that scenario, developer says that code is working in my system. So in that case, update should be delay, and operational say that this code is not working, and developer says this code is working. So in that case, DevOps is takes role in it. DevOps take role on it, and they communicate each other, both team, and find the great solutions on that. After DevOps, speed and efficiency is great. DevOps enables faster software delivery and automations, streaming process, and that DevOps engineer are better collaboration. So it breaks solos between development and operationals. Now the problem is fixed, and they give the higher quality, automate testing, continuous monitoring, and the catch bug earlier, so resulting in more reliable software and fewer production issues. And in the automations, we reduce our humans errors and find bug earlier. That's we good at. And then the cost saving, automation reduce manual works and prevent cost costly downtime. So while efficient resources use lower operational expenses. That's why we need DevOps for the speed, better collaborations, higher quality, cost savings. Now the questions starts. What are your day-to-day activities as a DevOps engineers? The First, collaborations. So my day starts by collaborations with developer and operations team together to resolve the deployment issues and improve release processes. Then automation, I automate and maintain cloud infrastructure to keep environment consistent and scalable, to building, deployment, and monitoring. Then I manage and troubleshooting CI/CD pipeline. CI means continuous integrations. Developer frequently merge into a shared repository where automated tests run, and then the CD is continuous delivery, where the software is always in a deployable state, can be released at any time. Then the CI/CD pipeline to support continuous building and deployment. Then monitoring and feedbacks, monitoring dashboard and alert to ensure system and running smoothly, and taking feedback from the users. Now the to understand the DevOps life cycles. The life cycle is a continuous process that helps deliver software faster and more reliable. It starts with planning, where teams is defined requirement and goals. Next is coding, where developer write code and managing its using version control like GitHub. And then comes to builds, where the code is compiled and packaged using tools like Dockers. And then after is testing, where testing ensure and quality stables. Then releasing and deploying, where CI/CD deploying to the productions. Then operations operations, where the system is monitoring and scaled and maintained using tools like Prometheus and Kubernetes. Finally, the monitoring and the feedback help teams detect issue, gather user feedback, and continuous improving the products. In this planning and in these sections, these are the CI continuous integration, CI continuous integrations. And the next is CD, the continuous deployment. It is going around the infinity signs and doing, this is the life cycles of DevOps. Now we completed the DevOps fundamentals. What is DevOps? Why DevOps is needed, and DevOps life cycles. If you have get some informations about this video, please like, comment, and subscribe these channels. Thank you.